Hey, I got sent over some floating wall shelves to take a look at and give my opinion about them. So we're going to open it up, look at them, see what we think about them, then we're going to get them put on the wall. I have a little assembly instructions here, a little rail of our mounting hardware, and some bubble wrap. It's popping if you can hear it. Oh, pretty cool. Actually, now that I think about it, this is a towel rack. Put a little hand towel on it. Just remembered what that was. Kind of a fiber board. It could be, that may be painted wood. It's nice looking though. And our other one. We're gonna go get it put on the wall and see what it looks like mounted on the wall. Okay, well, we decided to go ahead and put these in the office here. I think they look really good between the door and the wall. I think it looks nice. Just in case you're wondering, these are 16 inches wide and about 6 inches deep. So, really nice shelves. I like these. If you would like to pick up some shelves like this, I'll put a link down in the description where you can click on it and go to Amazon and order your own. If you've gotten any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't yet, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you'd like. I'd appreciate it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.